Now this is a brilliant book, a drawing masterclass on portraits by the wonderful Carol Massey. Now portraits can be quite tricky, but if you've got a book like this, there's no reason why you can't do really well and actually start enjoying making your portraits come to life. There's a little bit about the history of portrait drawing at the front of the book, but what I really like about this book is that it tells you about the structure of the head, and I think that's something that we can often get quite wrong. Normally we would draw a head as an ovoid shape, but this book shows you how to do it as a box shape, which actually makes a lot more sense because of the 3 planes across the head that you've got. So it's showing you how to revolutionise the way you're drawing and the way you're thinking about what lies beneath the face. Carol shows us about proportions with adults and with children, but she also shows us about expression, anger, concentration, surprise, all the little details that are sometimes really difficult to get to grips with. So she's done it brilliantly because you've got step-by-step guides, very easy to follow, very useful tips and workshops as well. So you can use this book as your at-home guide with your professional tutor, Carol Massey. Drawing Masterclass by Carol Massey. It's everything you need to know about drawing portraits.